Hey guys, so today was our very first moving day, and we have been in it for almost 2 weeks now. We're still getting everything settled and organized, but we haven't had a chance yet to show you the inside of the camper, so we wanted to go ahead and bring you in for a quick tour. So here we go.
Where we at? Where we at today?
Tupelo, Mississippi.
Tupelo. New campground.
So we hang our dogs' leashes here. That's been great for getting them buckled up and ready to go.
Close it door.
So right here at the doorway we do have a baby gate, and that is obviously to keep the baby away from the door. Keeps the dogs away from the door so that it's easier for us to go in and out.
Loose.
Yeah, so we just got here, so yeah, I don't
We
have
just
it
kind of
set.
pushed it
I
up
don't
there.
have it set up correctly, so come here. So I want to show you our kitchen. This is our kitchen. We do have the double sink, and we have these that actually cover up the sink so that I can have a little bit more counter space, and I love that they flip over, and I will use the back side as a cutting board. So when I'm not using them, we put a command strip here, a command hook, and I have one also on the inside of this door. So that's our storage, and it's very weird storage in there, but oddly enough there's actually a lot of space, and so that's again something that we're working on, is figuring out the best way to utilize this storage. So one of my favorite things that we've put up right here is my knife block. Not a knife block, my magnetic knife strip, if you will. This is put up by the command strips that are like, they look like Velcro, and they snap
Like
into
4
each
or
other.
5 of them, because it's like 16 ounces or
Yeah.
a couple pounds on it. It's pretty heavy.
So on moving day today, like this morning, I packed them all up because we weren't traveling with knives, just hanging there, but this hasn't wiggled an inch, the knife block. I want to show off a little decoration that a friend gave me a while back from my small group, and it's here at the back of my kitchen. And then we hung up these other little command hooks here, and all of my cooking utensils are there. So say hi. Look,
Crazy time.
look, you're on a video.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hello.
You say hi.
Hi.
So it's hi. And I also want to show off here that we've put up a paper towel holder here. We have this mini dish strainer that I love. It sits here and it can still drain into the sink. And something else that I want to show off here in my kitchen is a piece of artwork that my best friend made. Actually, for
Shout out to Leilani.
Actually for the baby's room in our Sticks and Bricks house, but it fit here perfectly. It was nice and lightweight. We also have our whiteboard up here, which we need to update with our new information. But it just says where we are, where we're going, who we get to see or what we get to do, just plans and stuff like that. So, oh, and the refrigerator. That's part of the kitchen. The refrigerator. So it's not huge, but it's been working out great for us, along with the little freezer. The first day I went grocery shopping, I packed the freezer up because I'm not used to shopping for this size.
And it took like 3 days for it to freeze.
Yeah.
For everything to...
Yeah. But this stuff, we didn't take this stuff down when we moved, and it stayed up, so that's cool. So, that's basically the kitchen. I mean, we do have the burner and the little oven. I have cooked one thing in the oven thus far, so I'm going to move over to the dinette area. Did you stop it? So over here in the dinette area, obviously, is where we are able to sit and eat. And we have this folding chair. It's a very sturdy folding chair. It's not going to collapse on itself, for the baby's seat. And when we're not using it, we usually take it away. But we did have a quick dinner here tonight, so
We break it down and put it away
yeah,
at
we
night.
haven't put it away just yet. But I have to say, my favorite part about the dinette area is under both. We have drawers instead of just a door, so I can pull out all my storage. It's also on this side, and right now it's just like my main kitchen storage for pots and pans and dishes and stuff.
Lots.
So, yeah. And something that we actually found out is if you lift this up, there's the wooden support under here, and there's actually a little bit of storage hiding back there in the back. So so we have utilized that for a few different things. But it's been really nice. My oldest daughter, on I don't know, we've probably been about a week in, and she said, I love having dinners at these tables. It's just so much fun and cozy. So that was just really, really awesome to hear her say that, you know, that quick into this whole journey. So this is our living room. I'll move into that, and this is very comfortable. This pulls out too into some sleeping. We've pulled it out once just when my nephew was hanging out with us for a day, just so we could have some extra space to lay out. And underneath here, it's not technically storage, but there is about 6 inches.
6 to 8 inches.
6 to 8 inches or so of like a gap below.
The whole size of the furniture.
Right, yeah, the whole length
Sofa.
of this and depth. So right now that's where our winter, well, it's where the girls' winter clothes are. And anything that we might not need, anything extra. So that's been a lifesaver to have that little extra there too. We've used, again, those same command strips that look kind of like Velcro. That's where we put up our remote controls.
Hotspot goes up top.
Our hotspot goes up here, but we didn't want to leave that up while we were traveling, just in case we didn't want that.
The remote stayed though, that was cool.
Yeah. And then we have our map for us to pin the locations. This is where we started in North Atlanta, and we were in Omaha, Georgia last, and so we've got the
Florence
pin.
Marina State Park. Pretty cool spot.
So we've got a pin where we are now. And we've gone around and around about a trash can. We started with a little teeny tiny one, trying to put it over there, and it just didn't work.
It filled up like 5 times a day.
Yeah, it was just crazy. So we actually just went ahead with the bigger one, and it fits over here with the dog.
Cool thing about it is the lid locks on it, so we can.
Yeah, it locks. So the kid or the dogs
can't get into it.
We'll get into it. So that's been really, really awesome. In the middle of the day, since we're still in the south, it gets really, really hot. So we always have our fan going
on top of the AC.
Yeah, just to sort of circulate everything. So we have this little bit of storage here and there, but it's really shallow. So we haven't figured out the best way to utilize this space either.
Currently all electronic stuff right now.
Yeah, like it's the perfect size for like a DVD or whatever, but so I don't know. So we haven't totally worked that out yet. So we're in that process. So we're about to take you into the bunk room. We're heading that way. And so we do just have an over-the-door hanger that we had for like towels and stuff in the other house. And we're just throwing random stuff up there for now. So that's how it works in here. So I'm going to bring you now into our bunk room. So of course the girls share this room. So on this side we put a pack and play here for the baby. And we put some random storage up here. Of course, it was moving day to day, so we haven't completely unpacked this.
There's the baby cup. She wants to show you her cup.
Sometimes our older daughter will lay these out and she'll sleep on these.
Or sit on them for school.
Well, she sits on them for school for sure, yeah. So because we're schooling here, we have this folding table here that will pop up. In here for school, it's been really, really hot outside, but I'd like to get outside and do it too, so eventually we'll probably do that. Then on this side, this is where our oldest daughter, this is her bedroom and area and stuff like that, and she has the Xbox, and yeah, we put her a memory foam mattress topper on there, because
it was a gel. It's a
gel. Okay.
And then my Xbox.
Yes, Xbox and TV.
And I play Fortnite on it.
This cabinet right now is what we're using for our homeschool items and any books and things like that to read. This is where the girls are keeping the clothes. Of course, we still have to figure out the best way to use everything. But we did go and buy these shelf dividers so that so far it's just a little bit easier to store things that way. And diapers and wipes and shoes down at the bottom. One thing that we added over here, this is the ladder to get up. We added handles because our daughter was talking about how it's kind of hard to get all the way up, and especially to get down without something to grab onto.
Yeah, because it's super awkward. Like this over here is sort of a handle, but then you have to like put your fingers
get
right
down
here.
in there. Yeah. So we put in the 2 handles, and then the other thing is we put in a bar here, like an actual closet bar. That's one of the few things that we screwed in to the wall here, just for some longer hanging things that my oldest daughter has.
And then we put storage.
Yeah, and right now we've just shoved extra things in there. So.
Oh, we didn't put storage.
So one of my favorite things about this bunk room is we have a pantry. So again, this is a space that we haven't fully figured out the best way to organize yet either. But of course all the food is in here. We have bins down at the bottom, one of each for the girls for their toys. And again, this was moving day too, so extra stuff's been kind of shoved in here. We've gotten an over the door shoe holder, storage holder, to hang here that we can put food in. And it traveled like this, and everything seems to be fine on it so far. So we'll see how that goes.
And then we've got
and we have these bars that I used today to, like, I put it
Tension
here.
bars.
Yeah, tension bars to like make sure certain things don't slide around. Of course, all that looked a little different from moving day too. So that's that, and we will take you to the bathroom and the master bedroom. So here's the bathroom. It's kind of tight. Our favorite thing about it is there's plenty of room when you sit on the toilet. You don't feel like you're being like
Crammed.
Yeah, crammed in.
Like our last trailer.
Yeah. When we first got it, they had this hook already pre-installed on this door, so we installed another 3-pronged hook on this closet door here for towels and such. But one of my favorite things is this is actually made, it's a tension rod, and it's actually made for like in your shower. And I've seen it actually, a neighbor of mine had something like this in her sticks and bricks shower. And we, so generally, you know, you can set these at any height that you want to. So we have them set higher because we don't want to hit our heads when we're going to the bathroom. And so this has been awesome. I'm going to hang up my picture, we haven't done that yet. So this is one of my favorite things, and then I've got this really skinny toilet brush holder thing, and it fits just perfectly back there. So another thing we installed is our toilet paper holder. So that fits perfectly there. We haven't utilized the storage under here 100% either. We're working on that. We've added these little cups here. The girls, yeah, the girls' toothbrushes, excuse me, ours, and we're gonna get another one for up there. But every time we go to the store, they like only have one. So the other thing that we need to work on in here is it's a nice big closet. It's an awkward angle, and there's no shelves. So right now I'm rolling my towels and I'm just like stacking everything, and it's working, but it's annoying. So we're gonna try to figure out, we need to get some shelves in there to make it a little bit more usable.
Put the hooks in the shower.
Oh yeah. And then another thing that we added in here is they have waterproof command hooks that you can get for like showers and wet situations and stuff. So we have 4 up, one for each of us to have, you know, to hang our wash rags and stuff to dry. And then we actually bought this little thing to plug up the bottom and give my daughter like a 2-inch, 3-inch bath. So she loves that. And I have to say, my favorite thing about this shower is it has a button here that you push it and it turns the water off, so you can conserve water, and you know,
you can lather
without it washing off immediately. And then in our sticks and bricks house, we had a shower head that attached to the main shower head, and it was like a little dolphin, and it came down lower for kids showers. But this actually came with that already set up, so we got rid of it because we brought it with us just in case. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to show you the master bedroom next. Okay, so here's the master. I'm not sure how much of it you can see. The master. This mattress is actually our memory foam mattress that we had in our sticks and bricks house. It was a king size, and we actually cut it down to fit the queen. So that's been really, really nice sleeping on our bed. We each only have, you know, the 2 little closets and a drawer up top. So what we did, and we've seen this with a lot of other full-time families that do this, is you get this hanging storage so you can use it more like a drawer, because pretty much everything we wear can be folded. So that's been good, and there's a little storage, deeper storage in the back for like jackets and some winter things or whatever. So
And the hats.
and hats. Yeah, we hung up our hats. We have.
I'll make sure you get this up there. Panther Nation.
Yeah, so we have that, and then we each kind of have half, and we're just using these little bins for now. So we're figuring all that out. So he's going to show you actually, because there's a door from the bathroom into the bedroom. If you can come in this way. So this way is a lot easier, sometimes like even at night or whatever, just I don't know, I like having this door open, and the air conditioner helps cool our room too. So something that we've done, and again we saw this with other full-time families, is you buy the plastic over the door shoe storage, and you cut them, and then you attach them up here. So we actually still have some empty spaces, but you know, this is where my girly stuff is. I got my flat iron, my blow dryer, hair products, you know, and little extras and stuff like that. So I even put some of my shoes over there on the other side, and my makeup. We have our dog's crate here. She used to sleep in our bed, so she's not sleeping in our bed anymore, but she's on our side, so, or on my side, so she sleeps there. And another cool thing about this camper that we didn't see in any other of the layouts, we didn't buy it because of this, but it was just, you know, a cherry on top, is our laundry chute. So all of our dirty clothes just go straight down there, and we don't have to worry about smelling them or what to do with them and where to put them and so on and so forth. So another thing that I like is there's quite a bit of storage actually down underneath there. So we both have a couple of different things kind of shoved in under there. But yeah, I think that's it. I think we've covered everything as far as what we've done. Oh, there is storage underneath the bed, but most all RVs and campers and trailers and stuff come with something like that. So again, an area that we haven't fully utilized yet to its maximum capacity. So we look forward to settling in a little more.
Thanks.
Thanks for taking the time to watch our video.
Like
Subscribe.
and comment down below.